Other senior government officials.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, I think if we are talking about the issue of banditry, certainly we have seen some improvements. When we had a comparative analysis before the issuance of the security containment order, what we saw in 3 months when we compared, we saw a drastic drop of over 100% in terms of the rates of kidnappings, killings, and associated crimes with banditry. So the incidents we had last week had nothing to do with banditry attack. It was purely an assassination by unknown killers, which the police and other security agencies are working around the clock to unravel what had happened, because he was killed, my commissioner was killed by an unknown assassin, and not a single pin was stolen in his house. So you could see that this was a pure crime that has to be investigated for us to know the root causes and why and who. Thank you.
Can you say normalcy is returning to Kaduna?
No, we cannot say normalcy has returned, but certainly there's improvement.
What do you attribute that?
Well, I think combined efforts of the security containment order and the efforts of the security forces to go after informants in particular, and also to go after the bandits hideout. And even 2 days ago they had an operation of clearance, which I think is proving very successful. And I think what is most important for us to succeed is for all the states, especially in northwestern states, to take the pain and work together to make sure that we block all the loopholes. But if one state has a policy, another state has a different one, certainly there will always be moving from one state to another. Luckily enough, the states, including Niger and Nasarawa, that border us, we are working together to make sure that we bring this to a manageable and tolerable level.
This effort of working together had failed in the past. How sure are you now it's going to work?
It does not mean we should not continue to work towards working together. If something failed yesterday, it can succeed today.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.